Most guys train hard, sleep okay, even take their supplements, but they still feel tired, weak, and their testosterone is in the gutter. Want to know one of the biggest reasons why? It's the food you're eating every single day. In this video, I'm going to expose the top 7 foods that are silently killing your testosterone and draining your energy, food you probably eat regularly without even realizing the damage they're causing. And more importantly, I'll tell you exactly what to eat instead to naturally boost your hormones and get your energy back. I'm Thomas Hale, and if you want weekly science-based hacks on hormone, energy, and longevity, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive in. Here's what most men don't understand. Your hormones are literally built from the nutrients you consume. Think about it. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. Your thyroid needs iodine and selenium. Your entire endocrine system runs on vitamins and minerals. So when you put garbage full in your body, you get broken hormonal system. It's that simple. But it goes deeper than just missing nutrients. Some food actively sabotage your testosterone production. They cause inflammation that disrupts hormone signaling. They spike insulin, which directly suppresses testosterone. Some even contain compounds that literally block testosterone production or convert it to estrogen. The good news, fixing your diet is one of the fastest ways to boost your hormones naturally. We are talking noticeable improvement in energy and testosterone within 2 to 4 weeks just by stopping these hormone-killing foods. So let's dive into the worst offenders. Number 1 on our hit list, the processed sugar. And I'm not just talking about candy and soda. I'm talking about the hidden sugar in your protein bars, your morning cereals, your healthy yogurt, even your pasta sauce. Here's what sugar does to your testosterone. Every time you eat it, your blood sugar spikes. This triggers a massive insulin release. And here's the kicker. Insulin directly suppresses testosterone production. Studies show that just 75 grams of sugar, that's 2 cans of Coke, can drop your testosterone by 25% for up to 2 hours. But it gets worse. Sugar promotes visceral belly fat, that dangerous fat around your organs. And belly fat contains an enzyme called aromatase that literally converts your testosterone into estrogen. So not only are you producing less testosterone, you're converting what little you have into the female hormone. The result? Low energy, no sex drive, and man boobs. Not exactly what you're going for. Number 2, refined carbohydrates. White bread, regular pasta, pastries, crackers, bagels, basically anything made with white flour. These foods are just sugar in disguise. Your body breaks them down so fast they cause the exact same insulin spike and testosterone crash as straight sugar. That morning bagel is killing your testosterone before your day even starts. That sandwich at lunch, same deal. These foods are everywhere, they are socially acceptable, and they are destroying men's hormones on a massive scale. 3. Processed vegetables oils. Number 3 might surprise you. Soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil. These industrial seed oils are in almost everything. These oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. Now you need some omega-6, but the modern diet has 20 times too much. This massive imbalance causes chronic inflammation through your body, including in your testicles where testosterone is made. Studies on rats and emerging human data show that high omega-6 intake can reduce testosterone by up to 15%. These oils are in every restaurant meal, every processed food, even your healthy salad dressing. Quick pause before continuing the video. If you like the video and you are new here, please subscribe. It really means a lot and helps the channel. Also, if you're finding this helpful, please hit the like button. Finally, if you think something could be better or if you want me to make a video on a specific subject, tell me in the comments. All of this really helps more guys over 25 discover these hacks on the channel. And I'll post new videos every week on biohacking, energy, and longevity, so no one will miss out. Thank you so much. Number 4, alcohol. And yes, this includes your craft beer, your wine, your whiskey, all of it. Alcohol increases the activity of aromatase. Remember, that's the enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. Just 2 drinks can suppress testosterone production up for 24 hours. Chronic drinking, your testosterone can drop by 50% or more. Plus, alcohol wrecks your sleep quality and testosterone is produced during deep sleep. It damages your liver, which you need to metabolize hormone properly. It increases cortisol, which suppresses testosterone. I'm not saying never drink, but if you're serious about your hormones, limit it to once a week maximum. Number 5. Soy products. This one is controversial, but hear me out. Soy contains phytoestrogen, plant compound that can mimic estrogen in your body. In small amount, probably not a big deal. But if you're drinking soy milk daily, eating tofu regularly, and consuming those fake meat products made from soy protein isolate, that could be a problem. Studies are mixed, but some show that high soy consumption can lower testosterone and increase estrogen in men. So why risk it? There are so many better protein sources that don't come with potential hormone disruption. Number 6. Fast food and anything deep fried. These foods are a perfect storm of hormone destruction, trans fats that directly lower testosterone, a massive amount of those inflammatory omega-6 oils, sugar in the buns and sauce, low-quality protein, zero micronutrients. One study found that men who ate fast food twice a week had 15% lower testosterone than those who avoid it. Plus, the calorie bomb leads to weight gain, which further suppresses testosterone. That drive for convenience is costing you a masculinity. Number 7, this one is nuance, excess dairy product. Now, all dairy is bad. High-quality grass-fed dairy can actually support testosterone. But here's the problem. Most commercial dairy comes from pregnant cows pumped full of hormone to increase milk production. You're literally drinking estrogen and progesterone, plus many men have endogenous dairy sensitivities that cause gut inflammation. And gut inflammation disrupts hormone production. A little organic grass-fed dairy, probably fine. But if you're pounding protein shakes with whey all day, drinking regular milk, eating cheese with every meal, you might want to cut back and see if your energy and testosterone improve. The pattern here is clear. Processed, inflammatory, insulin-spiking food destroy testosterone. So what should you eat instead? Here's your testosterone-boosting shopping list. Protein, the foundation. Whole eggs, yes, with the yolks, that's where the cholesterol for testosterone production is. Grass-fed beef, packed with zinc and creatine. Wild-caught salmon for omega-3s. Organic chicken. These proteins provide the building blocks for hormone production. Now the healthy fats. Absolutely crucial. Avocados, extra virgin olive oil, raw nuts, especially Brazil nuts for selenium, and macadamias for their perfect fat profile. Grass-fed butter. These fats are literally the raw materials for testosterone. The complex carb for sustained energy. Steel-cut oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, white rice if you train hard. These provide energy without the insulin spike that kills testosterone. The power vegetables, especially cruciferous ones, the broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts contain compounds that help your body eliminate excess estrogen. Spinach for magnesium, onions and garlic, which have been shown to boost testosterone in studies, and in bonus addition, some dark chocolate with 85% cacao or higher. It's loaded with magnesium and zinc. Pomegranate juice. Studies show it can increase testosterone by 25%. Ginger, just 3 grams daily, can boost testosterone by 17%. Think of it this way. Every single bite you take either helps you testosterone or hurts it. There's no neutral. Choose wisely. I learned this the hard way. I'm in my late 20s. I was eating healthy, whole grain everything, low-fat dairy protein bars, the occasional beer. I trained hard but felt exhausted. My testosterone came back at 330. That's a level of 70 years old. When I cut out processed sugar and vegetable oils completely, everything changed. Within 2 weeks, my energy skyrocketed. My workouts improved dramatically, my focus sharpened. 6 months later, my testosterone was at 780, more than double, just from changing what I ate. Food literally changed my hormone, and it can change yours too. So those are the 7 worst foods that are killing your testosterone and energy. Cut this out, replace them with the foods I mentioned and watch your hormones and energy transform. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods is going to be the hardest for you to give up? Is it the beer, the bread, the fast food? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and I help you find alternatives. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel reach more men who need this information. And if you're serious about optimizing your hormone naturally, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for weekly science-based hacks on testosterone, energy, and longevity. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas L, and I see you in the next one.